Sup guys, so today I'll be opening the Pokemon X and Y X piece of shit. I did not just say that. So let's do this. Record for me. So even though it's dark, we have the wonderful light of my DS.
3DS.
Yes.
So it hasn't been opened yet.
Yes. So I'll be making walkthroughs for this. So I'm most likely gonna suck at it.
Los chocolates eran para ti, ¿sabes?
Okay.
Que los chocolates son tuyos.
I know. So like it's opened. It's like so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it.
Brand new. Hasn't been touched yet.
Until
do
now.
this. Okay. Put it in.
So let's put it in. Let's
do this
stick
crap.
it in.
Oh my
The
god.
whole of the DS.
Don't put food in my table.
Beautiful.
Oh.
That apple. Andrea, pero si yo le compré chocolates a ella, ¿por qué le diste un chocolate?
Intercambiamos para probar eso. So see you guys later.